He cut the trees that were protecting him. The next morning, he had no home. In a small village, there lived a man named Christopher. His house was made of mud, simple, quiet. In front of his house, one big peepal tree, and one behind, like they were guarding his home, holding it safe. The trees were old, not very pretty, leaves always falling, sad everywhere. Sometimes it felt messy. Christopher would look at them and feel annoyed. One day, he said, "These trees are useless. They block my house. I don't need them." Some villagers said, "Don't cut them. They protect your home." But he didn't listen. He smiled. "I have my house. That's enough." Next morning, he started cutting. One tree fell, then the other. Now his house was open, clear, looked better, at least for now. Days passed. Everything felt normal. Then one night, wind started blowing. Slow at first, then stronger and stronger. Sometimes danger does not come loud. It comes slowly when you are not ready. That night, the wind hit his house. Nothing to stop it, nothing to slow it. The mud walls shook. Christopher woke up, confused, scared. Within moments, his house broke, walls falling, roof gone, everything gone. He sat there in silence. This wind was not even that strong. Then he looked. The wind was coming from the same side where the trees once stood. Morning came. Christopher sat near the broken house and understood those trees were never useless. They were protecting him all those years. He started crying, but now it was too late. Sometimes in life, we remove things because we don't like them, but those things might be saving us. Like bitter melon, you don't like the taste, but it helps your body. Same way, people, families, some struggles, they protect you in ways you don't see. If this story felt real, stay with us. Subscribe to Elijah Bethel's Tales and tell me, have you ever removed something from your life and later realized it was actually protecting you?